This year, we hosted our very first RV music festival, Romp It Up, held in the stunning high desert country of Sonoita, Arizona. It was nothing short of magical. Our hopes were high, but the experience surpassed our wildest dreams. Thanks to the incredible generosity of sponsors like LiTime batteries, who not only provided fantastic products, but also stepped in with financial support. Our attendees went home with unforgettable prizes. In return, they contributed a heartwarming bounty of toys for families who might not have been able to give gifts to their kids this season. A phrase that resonated with all of us was no child should have to wish for food for the holiday season. It's a sentiment our attendees and sponsors shared wholeheartedly, and so do we. A huge thank you to LiTime for being part of this amazing first event and for helping bring joy to some truly wonderful kids this holiday season. Your support made all the difference. Thank you, LiTime, and thank you to all who attended. We could not have done it without you.
This has been awesome. Look at my sweatshirt. I love it. And all the toys for kids. Woo! Thanks, LiTime.
LiTime, we want to thank you guys so much for being part of our first Romp It Up event. You really stepped up to the plate, and we were able to collect a lot of toys for kids via your donation of your great product. We can't thank you enough, and we hope to see you next year. We're gonna have some happy tykes as they get to open their presents. And this is what it's about, you guys. It's about giving back. It feels good. It feels really good.